Welcome to this step-by-step jasmine flower candle tutorial, one of the most searched DIY candlemaking projects on YouTube. If you want to learn how to make realistic handmade jasmine candles with beeswax, you're in the perfect place. Stay until the end because I'm teaching every detail from start to finish. Let's begin. I'm using beeswax granules with white and yellow pigments. First, I melt the beeswax granules, then I add the white pigment. I pour the melted wax in thin sheets onto the silicone mat and let it cool. After it cools, I gently lift the sheets. Now, using the green wax sheet I prepared earlier, I make the flower core. To stay precise, I use a wooden skewer to hold the flower while shaping. Next, I create the stamens using floral wire. I wrap the wires with the yellow wax sheet to shape the stamens and attach them to the flower core. Now I form the center of the flower and gently attach it to the core. Then I use a ski-shaped cutter to cut and shape the petals. I attach the petals one by one to the flower core. To make the flower look more natural, I apply a little shading with oil color. Finally, I add the wick. And we're done. I shared all the important tips with you, but if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I always reply. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this Jasmine candle tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future lessons. Ask anything you want in the comments, and please don't forget to like. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.